Hi guys, I'm Karina and I'm from Russia and I want to help you with Russian language. So today we'll learn how to count in Russian, and it is really very easy to count in Russian, especially if you know the first 10 numbers. So please learn the first 10 numbers by heart and then it will be really easy for you. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you know the first 10 numbers, it will be really easy for you to count. So you know that number 1 is один in Russian. So 11 is одиннадцать. Одиннадцать. So you add the ending нацать. Нацать. Одиннадцать. Одиннадцать. So you know that 2 is два in Russian, but you will say двенадцать. Not дванадцать, but двенадцать. So 12 is двенадцать. Две. 12, 12. So 11 is 11, 12 is 12. So then you know that in Russian number 3 is 3. So 13 is 3, 13. 3, 13. You know that in Russian 4 is 4. So 14 is 14. 14. So 5 is 5 and 15 is 5, not 5, but 5, 15. 15. So the sound is E. So the second sound is E. E. So you know that it is written with ya, but you pronounce E. 15, 15. So then 6 is 6. So 16 is 16, 16. 7 is 7. And 17 is 17. 17. Not 7, but 7. 17. So then 8 is 8, and 18 is 18. 18. 9 is 9. So and 19 is 9. Not 9, but 9. 19. So and 20 is 20. 20. And then again 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. So please learn by heart the first 10 numbers, and then it will be really very easy for you to learn other numbers. 30 and 40. 30. 30. So 40 is an exception, 40. So you should learn by heart this number, 40. You know that 5 in English, 5 in Russian, 5 in Russian is 5. And then you add, after 40, you just add 10. So 5 is 5, 50. 50. 50, 50, десят. So you add the ending десят. 50, 50. So 6 in Russian is 6. So you add again десят. 60. So it will 60. 60. Then 7 in Russian is 7. Again 70. 70. 70. Then 8 in Russian is 8. So 80. 80. And 90 is exception. You should learn it. 90. 90. And then 100. 100. 100. 100. And then you can count from 100 to 110, to 120, to 130. So it is really easy. 101, 102, 103, 104, etc. And 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and then 200. 200. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope that it was useful for you, and if you want to support me, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.